I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Yeah. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Oh, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I will make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer play. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Oh baby, all I want for Christmas is you, baby. Oh, all the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear those sleigh bells ringing. Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring my baby to me? Oh, I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. Oh, I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Oh baby, all I want for Christmas is
Dende o equipo directivo do CPI de Mosteiro Meis, desexámosvos un bo Nadal e un próspero ano novo.
Desexos unhas entrañables festas coa vosa familia.
Os nenos e nenas de primeiro B queremos que pasedes unha boa festa.
Bueno, pues nada, que teñades un bo Nadal e un feliz ano 2017.
Os nenos e as nenas de segundo
Golfiño e todo o equipo da biblioteca desexanvos
¡Un bon Nadal! O grupo de segundo B desexa as súas boas festas.
Desde o Departamento de Orientación os deseamos
Boas festas!
a clase de terceiro A desexámosvos
Desde o equipo do comedor queremos vos desexar a todos a clase de terceiro B desexamos a todos
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Os nenos e nenas de cuarto A desexamos felices festas.
Bon Nadal!
Os nenos e nenas de cuarto B de primaria desexamos un bon Nadal.
Desexo-vos boas festas.
Jugamos.
E bo ano novo.
A clase de quinto de primaria desexamos
Boas festas e feliz ano novo.
A clase de sexto A desexamos unhas felices festas.
Bo Nadal e feliz 2017.
Os nenos e nenas de sexto B desexamos
Bueno, aquí estamos próximos ao Nadal e dende o equipo directivo do CEPI Mosteiro Meis queremos desexarvos a toda a comunidade educativa un bo Nadal, felices festas e que o pasedes fantásticamente durante estas datas.